This is the story of a city with two faces. One calm and mesmerizing, the other aggressive and wild. In a city with the moniker of the Big Durian, Jakarta. Whether you're a boomer, millennial, or Gen Z finding your place in life, regardless of how polarizing living can seem, no matter what ailments haunt your mind, the city always finds a way to cure it. Similar to the story of Dr Jekkyl and Mr Hyde, the city exudes shades of calm and peace, as well as shades of crazed desires. Take the rhythmic beats of the night lights through the city's skyline, radiating tranquil serenity, exactly like Dr Jekkyl would. But sometimes, the urges to go wild come crawling through every fiber of your being, much like how Mr Hyde would rear his house. And what better way to release your urges than to party to your heart's content in a city where parties like these are a dime a dozen.
Y algo más que eso, me sorbita el seso y me desciende el peso de este cuerpecito mío que se ha convertido en río.
Like New York City, London, or Tokyo, come experience your Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde story of Jakarta through Karang Aji's Night Crawl Tour.
So once you're tired of the tranquility and the serenity, which I know is so surreal, you can choose to become Mr. Hyde. In Jakarta, we have all kind of parties, catering for generation X, Y, Z, up to baby boomers. So behind me is the Grand Hyatt. I'm gonna show you later the party that caters to baby boomers.
And also generation X.
So you can see how the Jakartan enjoy their life regardless of age. So catch up with you later, guys.
Down from all corners of the world. Once again, I cannot thank you enough for coming and dressing up. And please, you are not going home until you are properly flushed and staggered.
So this is Louis Xiao, a American celebrity from Ohio, Taiwanese, with an American citizen, dual citizen.
We've been friends like 25 years.
Yeah, and she loved Jakarta.
Oh my God, I love everything about Indonesia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why you love Jakarta? Tell my audience.
Because of you. Because of
Yeah.
you. You bring like amazing product.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you find peace in Jakarta.
Totally.
You find tranquility, serenity.
Everything about Indonesia we love.
It's so surreal, right? So surreal.
That's right. Everybody who's never been to Indonesia must come.
Must come.
Peace, love,
Peace out.
Volver a reír y cada día un instante
there you have it, folks. Whenever you feel like becoming Dr. Jekyll or Mr. Hyde, whatever that may entail, please contact the following number or email to the email address on your screen right now or in the description down below. Thank you.